Hello, my name is June. Today I will be with my teammate Addy to present you our Google Hackathon project Not. Well, today's AI are powerful, but they're fragmented. While as a user, we manually moving from tool to tool, while this creates fractions and the context lost. So we built a Knot to solve the fragmentation problem that by introduce a new interaction layer sit on top of traditional CLI and UI. Now following, we will be showing the demo.
So one example I can show you right now is that it's able to clean up our downloads. So for example, I ask it, can you organize my downloads folder? You can see it's able to move the files, that it's able to move the files. Some of them were having issues, and it tries to see what the issue is. Like it is, as you can see, it's set into context, and there we go. So now it was able to the context.
Can you organize my downloads folder?
By itself. So that's one of the examples of how it's able to handle the system, control the system for users. So another example could be me doing a research online about stock market and then sending it to Junier. For example, here, I will do a research for today and send. And then once done, the second agent will draft an email. And I can view the email about today's market.
U.S. stocks are showing modest gains with a shift away from tech stocks and towards sectors like energy and materials, as small cap stocks are performing well.
You can see today's market, and then I can edit it, ask AI to refine it as well. And
the economy may be overheating, potentially impacting future Federal Reserve policy. And earnings season is underway, with several major companies reporting this week. Want me to keep rolling and handle the next step?
Which is amazing. So yeah.
I sent the draft email, update on for today's stock market, to zayune001@gmail.com.
That will help you, for example, if you want email summary throughout the day, then you can have different tasks or draft emails, draft messages as well. You can send messages through iMessages as well. Our application works. We have two modes of input, the voice and the chat, and that goes directly to our lead AI, which is able to do an intent classification using Gemini 3.0 Flash, which classifies into whether it's an action, a conversational prompt, or a web search. And then from there, we pass it to our planning agent, which uses the skills, predefined skills that we inject inside the planning agent prompts, which will help it create a proper plan depending on the task. And then once that's done, we put it to validation, where we'll validate the plan, making sure the steps are minimal and the steps are correct depending on the task, which we use our skills again to validate that as well. And once that's done, we execute the plan. We do different tasks. For example, we do sub agents. So if a task requires sending an email and researching at the same time, we use two different modes. And then once that's done,